October 15th, 2020 practice. Number 1, evaluate or solve using the distributive property. Yay, we know how to do this. All right, so we are going to, first of all, circle the number in front of the parentheses. We know how to do that. So we're going to circle that 5. That 5 is in front of the parentheses. Now, we are going to show our arrows because that 5 is going to be distributed to that 1. Then that 5 is going to be distributed to that 2. And then that 5 is going to be distributed to the 4. Don't forget, we have to distribute it to everything. Now, let's type it out. So the first part, we had 5 times 1. So 5 distributing to the 1. We multiply there. And then what symbol do we have in between? We have an addition symbol, right? So we have addition. All right, then our next part, we had what in these parentheses? The second part, 5 times 2. 5 times 2, awesome. What do we have in between here? Plus sign. So we are going to have a plus sign. All right, last but not least, this 5 is going to be distributed or multiplied to the 4. So 5 times 4. Easy peasy, we got this. I'm actually going to move these. Possibly give me 1 second. Let me move these so that we can. All right, I'm just going to get rid of those for right now. Okay, so now what we have is, well, what is 5 times 1? Well, I know 5 times 1 is 5. We're going to keep that addition symbol. What is 5 times 2? That's 10. Keep that addition symbol. What's 5 times 4? 20. All right, now what's 5 plus 10? That's 15. Keep that addition symbol. Keep that 20. So we bring that down. All right. Now we have, keep that, there we go. Now we have 15 plus 20. What's 15 plus 20? Well, that 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 35. And that's our answer. Woohoo! All right, let's take a look at number 2. It says mark a box with the smiley faces to match each expression on the left to its equivalent expression. So, equivalent means equal. You see that? Equivalent, equal. All right, so let's take a look at this. 3 times the quantity of 10 plus 9, end quantity. So this 3 will be distributed to this 10, as well as this 3 will be distributed to that 9. So if we have 3 times 10, which is what? Well, I know that 3 times 10 is 30. So 3 times 10 is 30. So 30. Oh, there's a 30 and there's a 30. Now what about this next part? 3 times 9. Let's move this out here. 3 times 9. What's 3 times 9? So we have that 30 under there. Oh, that's a little too big. There we go. All right, so we have 30. Oh, can we even see that? No. Okay, well, I apologize. I tried there. So 3 times 10 is 30 plus 3 times 9. So it's going to have an addition symbol. So 3 times 9 is going to be 27. So 30 plus 27 is going to be what? Oh, 30 plus 27. Here it is. So we are going to put a smiley face in this box because 3 times 10 is going to be 30. And then 3 times 9 is going to be 27. In the middle, we have an addition symbol. There's our answer. All right, let's take a look at this next one. 6 times the quantity of 5 plus 4, end quantity. All right, so 6 times 5, I am going to go over this a little bit. So we have 6 times, oh, maybe I can just kind of put it down a little bit. There we go. So we have 6 times 5 And then we are going to have 6 times 4. And in between, it's going to be an addition symbol. So 6 times 5 is going to be what? Oh, that's 30. And then 6 times 4 is going to be 24. Ah! 30 plus 24. Is there an addition symbol in between? Yes, there is. Smiley face. So we're going to put that in there because we are awesome. All right, we have 2 more. We have 2 more columns that we can look at, but 1 more row to figure it out. So there's going to be one that's going to be either this one or this one is not going to be correct. All right, so we have 6 times 7, which is going to be what? 42, right? All right, so if we have 42, and then we have 6 times 6, ooh, 6 times 6. That's not 12, that's 6 plus 6, but 6 times 6 is going to be 36. So we have 42 plus 36. So I'm actually going to put this row, I'm going to actually kind of color coordinate it here so we can see a little bit more. So these ones are the same. This row is going to be the same. And then this row is going to be with that one. Alrighty, so that is it for our practice. Great job!